Mofongo is a traditional dish that originates from Puerto Rico. It has roots in African, Taino, and Spanish culinary traditions, which came together during the colonial era. The base ingredient of mofongo is mashed green plantains that are fried and then mixed with garlic, pork cracklings, chicharrón, and sometimes other ingredients like broth, olive oil, or spices. The dish reflects the influence of African cooking, particularly the technique of mashing plantains, similar to African fufu. Over time, it has evolved to become one of Puerto Rico's signature dishes, with various regional and modern adaptations, including versions with seafood, chicken, or vegetables. It's popular in other Caribbean countries as well, such as the Dominican Republic and Cuba, though each country has its own variations. Mofongo can impact your body in several ways, depending on its ingredients and how often you consume it. Here's a breakdown. Caloric content and satiety. High in calories, mofongo is calorie-dense, primarily because of fried plantains and pork cracklings chicharrón. Eating a large portion may provide a lot of energy, but consuming it too frequently can lead to weight gain if it's not balanced with physical activity. Satiating. Plantains are high in starch and fiber, which can make you feel full and satisfied after eating. Garlic and other ingredients. Garlic in mofongo is known to have potential anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, which can support overall gut health. Digestive health. Fiber from plantains. Plantains provide dietary fiber, which is good for digestive health. Fiber can help prevent constipation and promote regular bowel movements. Heart health. Fat and cholesterol. The pork cracklings and oil used to fry the plantains can be high in unhealthy fats and cholesterol, which may raise your risk of cardiovascular issues if consumed in excess. Olive oil in some recipes. If made with olive oil, mofongo can include healthy fats, which may benefit heart health by improving cholesterol levels. Nutritional value. Vitamins and minerals. Plantains are a good source of vitamins such as vitamin C, vitamin A, and vitamin B6, as well as minerals like potassium, which is important for maintaining normal blood pressure and electrolyte balance. Protein and nutrients from meat, seafood. If mofongo is paired with chicken, seafood, or other lean proteins, it can contribute to muscle health and provide important nutrients like iron and omega-3 fatty acids from fish. Energy levels. Carbohydrates. The starchy plantains provide a quick source of carbohydrates, which can boost energy. This makes mofongo a satisfying meal, especially if you need an energy boost, but it can also cause blood sugar spikes if consumed in large quantities. Overall consideration. Mofongo can be part of a balanced diet if consumed in moderation, but due to its high fat and calorie content, especially with fried pork, it's best enjoyed occasionally rather than regularly to avoid potential negative health impacts. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, like, and don't forget to click the notification bell to be updated to my new video.